And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up. Jesse Lingard. Under Herrera. Space and Jesse Lingard in position here. Going for power there, but just too much elevation on the short lead.
Yeah, over the bar, Derek, with pace. He's a little unlucky.
Lingard. Lukaku. Beautifully timed. Given away. Oh, he fancies it. He's likely asking himself, why did I shoot from so far out?
Well, he's not the only one. I'm asking him, and all his teammates are too.
Pogba has it. Jesse Lingard. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. He's managed to lose his marker. Thunder's clear. Throw into Manchester United. Rashford. The tackle crisp and accurate. Under Herrera. Herrera. Clattered away. Given away. Read it superbly to take back possession. Pogba has it. The referee has decided that two additional... And he's made headway. Does he have the beating of the goalkeeper? Corner kick forthcoming. And over comes the corner. Romelu Lukaku. A chance then for the respective... Into the second half then. And these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. And Lingard. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Marcus Rashford. Others in the vicinity. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. If there's such a thing as the perfect challenge, that was it, but a throw-in. He has time to play it over. He's played it over to the near post. Lack of guile with regard to that cross. Goalkeeper's ball. Paul Pogba, normally such a smooth operator, but might he be a bit cross with himself? Marcus Rashford. Oh, he's really opened them up here. And nothing positive comes of it, unfortunately. It's Manchester United on the move. Now, what can they do from here? A no-nonsense defensive clearance. Under Herrera. Pogba. Now, what can he do here? Turning inside, where's he going to go? Romelu Lukaku now. Cut out brilliantly, Herrera. Playing advantage here, United keep it. And that's vision for you from Paul Pogba. The end product just wasn't there. And cleared away. Nemanja Matic has it. And the defender finding a solution to the problem. We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. Given away. And now this is Lingard. Oh, he's through here. Only the keeper to beat. He's unable to take the chance, and he'll be disappointed here.
Well, 0-0. It should be 1-0. It really should.
He's just a thorough reader of the game, and there we saw it. Now, let's see, Ashley Young. Crossing opportunity. Jesse Lingard! Well, sometimes for a goalkeeper, it's not about the spectacular, it's about the routine.
Absolutely. Concentration. Concentration. It's all between the ears.
Well, that's very smart defending, and now they have the ball again. 10 minutes left for play in this match. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Only 5 minutes left for play, and tension galore with the teams locked together. The tackle crisp and accurate. Pogba has it. Jesse Lingard. Rashford. Prepared to take on the shot. And the search goes on for a winner. Time is tight. We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Substitution time it is. Rashford. Just straying offside.